Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing Boldin, a retirement and financial planning tool that's getting a lot of attention. Is it actually helpful or just another complicated app? Boldin is built to help you plan your money for the future, especially retirement. You enter your income, savings, and future goals, and it gives you an easy to understand forecast. The cool part? It uses AI to adjust your plan in real time. Got a new job? Want to retire early? Boldin updates your whole timeline and shows how it affects your money. It also helps with tax planning, investment choices, and monthly budgeting. The dashboard is super clean and not overwhelming, even if you are not a financial expert. Some people say it helps them realize they needed to save more or adjust their spending now to stay on track. So, is Boldin worth it? If you want a clear, personalized view of your financial future, it's definitely worth a try. Just remember, it's a tool, not a magic fix. You still need to take action. Hit like if this helped and subscribe for more easy tech reviews. Thanks for watching.